Hello! Mabuhay! This is Teacher Lourdes, and this is your course, The Teaching Profession. Our lesson 4 is Republic Act 7836, Philippine Teachers Professionalization Act of 1994. Our sources are Teaching Profession by Celia M. Ilanan, PhD, et al., and Teaching Profession in the 21st Century by Dr. Sarandi and Dr. Babaw. Special thanks to Canva.com. Our learning objectives are discuss Republic Act 7836, Philippine Teachers Professionalization Act of 1994, and explain your opinion regarding this Republic Act. Republic Act 7836, or also called Philippine Teachers Professionalization Act of 1994, the policy of the Philippine state is it recognizes the vital role of teachers in nation building and development through a responsible and literate citizenry. Toward this end, the state shall ensure and promote quality education by proper supervision and regulation of the licensure, examination, and professionalization of the practice of the teaching profession. The main objectives of this RA 7836 are: A. Promotion, development, and professionalization of teachers in the teaching profession, and B. Supervision and regulation of licensure examination. The law created the Board for Professional Teachers, a collegial body under the general supervision and administrative control of the Professional Regulation Commission, which is composed of 5 members who shall be appointed by the President of the Philippines from among the recommendees chosen by the Commission. The recommendees shall be chosen from the list of nominees selected by the accredited association of teachers who duly possess all the qualifications prescribed in Section 8 of RA 7836. The following are the duties and functions of the Board: A. Promulgate, administer, and enforce rules and regulations necessary for carrying out the provisions of this Act in accordance with the Charter of the Professional Regulation Commission. B. Determine and fix the frequency, dates, and places of examination, supervisors, proctors, and other personnel as needed who shall be entitled to a daily allowance to be fixed by the Board for every examination they actually attended, use of buildings and facilities of public or private schools for examination purposes. C. Issue, suspend, or revoke the certificate of registration for the practice of the teaching profession. D. Prescribe and collect examination and other fees as it may deem proper. E. Prescribe and/or adopt a code of ethical and professional standards for practice of the teaching profession. Such ethical standards, rules, and regulations should take effect 60 days after its publication in the Official Gazette or in newspaper of general circulation. F. Administer oaths in connection with the administration of this Act. G. Supervise and regulate the registration, licensure, and practice of professional teachers in the Philippines. H. Adopt an official seal of the Board. I. Look into the conditions affecting the practice of the teaching profession whenever necessary. Adopt each measures as may deem proper for enhancement and maintenance of high professional and ethical standards of the profession. J. Ensure that all educational institutions offering elementary and secondary education comply with the essential requirements for curricula, faculty, and facilities for the elementary and secondary levels. K. Investigate such violations of RA 7836, the rules and the Code of Ethical and Professional Standards for Professional Teachers, and to issue subpoena and subpoena juices tecum to secure the appearance of witnesses and the production of documents. And L. Discharge such other powers, duties, and functions as the Board may deem necessary for the practice of the teaching profession and the upgrading, enhancement, development, and growth of education in the Philippines. Section 6. The term of office of the Board is 3 years. Vacancies shall be served for the unexpired term only. Any person who has served for 2 consecutive terms shall not be eligible for reappointment. Appointment to fill an expired term shall be considered an appointment to a complete term. The qualification of board members are the following: A. Citizen and resident of the Philippines. B. At least 35 years of age, of proven integrity, and has moral values in his personal as well as professional conduct, and has not been convicted of any offense involving moral turpitude. C. Holder of degree of Bachelor of Arts or Bachelor in Science in Education, and preferably a holder of a master's or doctorate degree in education or their equivalents from a university, school, college, academy, or institute duly constituted, recognized, and accredited by the Philippine government. D. Be a professional teacher with a valid certificate of registration and a valid professional license, save those members who shall compose the first board for professional teachers. E. Has been a professional teacher in the active practice of the teaching profession for at least 10 years in the elementary and secondary level. And F. Not an official or member of the faculty or have pecuniary interest in any university, college, school, or institution conferring a bachelor's degree in education or its equivalents for at least 3 years prior to this appointment, and neither connected with a review center or with any group or association where review classes or lectures in preparation for the licensure examination are offered or conducted. Section 8. The examination of elementary school teachers and secondary school teachers shall be separate. The examination for teachers in the elementary level shall consist of two parts, namely, professional education and general education. The examination for teachers in the secondary level shall consist of three parts, namely, professional education, general education, and field of specialization. Any applicant to take the BLEPT is accepted provided that they complied with the following requirements: A citizen of the Philippines or an alien whose country has a reciprocity within the Philippines in the practice of the teaching profession. B. At least 18 years of age. C. In good health and good reputation with high moral values. D. Has not been convicted by final judgment by a court for an offense involving turpitude. E. Graduate of a school, college, or university recognized by the government and possesses the minimum educational qualifications as follows: 1. For teachers in preschool, a bachelor's degree in early childhood education or its equivalent. 2. For teachers in the elementary grades, a bachelor's degree in elementary education. 3. For teachers in secondary grades, a bachelor's degree in education equivalent with a major and minor, or a bachelor degree in arts and sciences with at least 18 units in professional education. And 4. For teachers of vocational and 2-year technical courses, a bachelor's degree in the field of specialization or its equivalent with at least 18 units in professional education. Section 15. RA 7836 also provides for periodic merit examination of teachers with the aim to encourage continuing professional growth and development and to provide additional basis for merit promotion. In addition to their performance rating, teachers may take an oral and written examination at least once every 5 years as basis for merit promotion. If a teacher fails to pass the merit examination, he or she shall be allowed to take examination for a second time. Should he or she fail to pass the merit examination for the second time, then he or she shall be required to take a accredited refresher course or program before being allowed to retake the examination. But failure of any permanent teacher to pass the merit examination shall not be used as a ground for his dismissal or demotion. Teachers who pass the merit examination shall be awarded a diploma of merit by the board, earn merit points for purposes of promotion in salary or to a higher position or grade level, be placed in the priority list for government scholarship, and enjoy such other benefits as may be promulgated by the board. RA 7836 also mandates that all professional teachers be organized and integrated into one national organization, which shall be recognized by the board and the commission as the one and only integrated and accredited association of professional teachers. Upon registration with the board, every professional teacher shall be encouraged to become a member the integrated national organization. Those who have been registered with the board but are not members of the said integrated organization shall be allowed to register as members of the said integrated organization within 3 years after the effectivity of RA 7836. Membership in the integrated organization shall not be a bar to membership in other associations of the teaching profession. The professional teachers shall receive the benefits and privileges appertinent to their membership in the said integrated and accredited organization of professional teachers only upon payment of the required membership fees and dues. Section 22. The board shall have the power, after due notice and hearing, to suspend or revoke the certificate of registration of the registrant, to reprimand or to cancel the temporary special permit of a holder for any of the following causes: A. Conviction for any criminal offense by a court of competent jurisdiction. B. Immoral, unprofessional, or dishonorable conduct. C. Declaration by a court of competent jurisdiction for being mentally unsound or insane. D. Malpractice, gross incompetence, gross negligence, or serious ignorance of the practice of the teaching profession. E. The use of or perpetration of any fraud or deceit in obtaining a certificate of registration, professional license, or special temporary permit. F. Chronic inebriety or habitual use of drugs. G. Violation of any of the provisions of this Act, the rules and regulations and all other policies of the Board of the Commission, and the Code of Ethical and Professional Standards for Professional Teachers. And unjustified or willful failure to attend seminars, workshops, conferences, and the like, or the continuing education program prescribed by the Board and the Commission. Section 23. The decision of the Board to revoke or suspend a certificate may be appealed to the regional trial court of the place where the Board holds office within 15 days from receipt of the said decision or of the denial of the motion of reconsideration filed in due time. No teacher or foreign nationality shall be admitted to take the BLEPT or be given a certificate of registration unless the country or state they are a subject permits Filipino professional teachers to practice within its territorial limits on the same basis as subjects or citizens of said country or state, provided that laws of such state or country grant the same privilege to Filipino professional teachers on the same basis as the subject or citizens of such foreign country or state. Section 24. This is the RA Republic Act, which discusses the grounds for being a member of the board and discuss the necessary conditions to be able to become a teacher in the Philippines. For student activity, explain your opinion regarding Republic Act in 5 to 10 sentences and then submit to our Google Classroom in 2 days. Thank you for listening. Mabuhay! I will wait for your output in our Google Classroom.